Hey, this is Jeremy just with a short clip to kind of show a couple of pitfalls or shortcomings, we can call them, within Microsoft Outlook on the Mac. I'm in Outlook right now on my MacBook Pro, and just I want to point out to you, so I'm using a program called Camtasia to make this video, and I know I got an email from Camtasia recently with the serial number for the software that I'm using, and I just went to find that email by typing in the word Camtasia up here in this little search box. And as you can see, Outlook finds no conversations with the word Camtasia, which I found especially puzzling considering I just purchased this. I was sent a software key, so I thought, well, maybe it's the company TechSmith that I need to go look for. And sure enough, I did get an email from TechSmith, and if I look for something from them now, well, once again, no results, no conversations. Fortunately, I'm somewhat organized, and I remembered that in my expense reporting folder, here we go right here, an email from TechSmith. As you can see, there's the word TechSmith, and there's the word Camtasia. All this is to say that Outlook is unable to search within the contents of my inbox correctly, and even worse, they can't search the contents of a specific email message to find the word I'm looking for and give me my results. This happens to me all the time when I'm searching for mail, and this is something that Gmail has no issues with, and is for a fact the world-class leader in search, especially when it comes to searching within email messages, looking at the text, finding the word you're looking for. And the same holds true for Google Drive. You can do a search for something in Google Drive, and it doesn't just look for the documents, it looks within the documents for the text, the words that match as well. So that's the first thing. The second thing I wanted to point out was we have public folders that we use here in Outlook. Here's my own calendar, and if I wanted to get to the public folders, they're not, Google would call them resource calendars or campus calendars. If I wanted to just find out, for example, what the internal space calendar at the lower school looks like, if you're on a PC, you come down here and there's 3 dots that you click, and then you get to public folders. If you see here on my Mac, I don't have public folders listed anywhere. I'm not even sure how to get to them. But if I come up here to the Tools menu and I click on Public Folders, I get this box that pops up with all these public folders that represent spaces and scheduling calendars and all sorts of things. And if you can imagine, this is several clicks now to get to the lower school internal space calendar that I then can subscribe to. And now over here under subscribe public folders, and then expand my name, there's the lower school internal space calendar. Again, I'm just emphasizing that is multiple steps to get to something that should just be natively available with the calendar feature in the program. Trying to do this on my Android phone, which has Microsoft Outlook, is equally, if not more so, problematic. So just a couple of examples in there. It took that long for the contents to actually load for that calendar. These are 2 things that are very important to have figured out, and that another platform has in fact figured out, and that being Google with their calendar and Gmail. So just wanted to point that out.